There's no easy way to tell you this, but it's actually coming through the bottom of the waterproofing.
What does that mean?
So it's an absolute major, to be honest.
When Troy and Marty invited us on site, I thought it was to talk through the plan going forward, what framing we needed finalised and all of that.
So it's not coming through the waterproofing, it's coming underneath it.
It's actually coming underneath the waterproofing.
But haven't we just dug out right down the side of this block wall to waterproof it and put that drain in?
Yeah, we have. Unfortunately, what's happening is that the waterproofing's down to a certain level, and the existing old footing under this wall, the water's actually soaking into that, and the pressure of it is actually driving it through and underneath the waterproofing. The guys that have waterproofed it have taken it down as far as they can, but unfortunately it's just not doing the job. So the actual whole wall, in my opinion, is going to need to come out